I am Dr. Raghunandan Biswai, working as a consultant in the Department of Orthopedic in JLN Hospital Research Center, Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. I got interested in arthroscopy surgery and want to develop some soft skill in the field of arthroscopy. I got opportunity to do fellowship under the mentorship of the Dr. Manu Bora. He is a very good arthroscopy surgeon in Delhi, having adapted to various newer technologies and latest technologies in arthroscopy field. Here I learned the basic arthroscopy and the ACL procedure, which includes all inside technique, how to take the arthroscopy, how to take the quadriceps graft along with internal brace. Apart from it, learned also PCL, Bankart procedure, anterior tibiofibular ligament surgery, along with the Ward's technique, also the knee release. And this is a very good and excellent center to learn the basics in arthroscopy, and I also recommend the interested candidates who can do the arthroscopic fellowship under the Dr. Manu Bora. Thank you.